Yeah, welcome to the first series of this Pixellab. My name is Emmanuel Ayomide. People do call me the admin media concept. So this is the Pro Pixellab. So we have different kind of Pixellab. We have normal Pixellab, Pixellab pink. We have purple. It is varies. That is Pixellab, and they are doing absolutely the same thing. So let's get started. Now let's firstly go through the interface of Pixellab, like everything we are seeing here. Let's start from the plus button that is here. So when I tap this plus button, some things pop down like text, current date, sticker, shape, from image, draw. This is what you are going to see. We'll get to that later. So this one we have save. We have save as PLP. Save as PLP in normal Pixellab is same thing as save as project. So the file editable file of Pixellab is PLP. So we have save as image, which you can choose, the dimension of your design. In normal Pixellab, we have this one they are low, high, custom, ultra, and many other uh dimensions like that. So we have share. Maybe share is the same thing as save as image. So you can only share editable and uneditable file unless you want to send PLP for this place. So this is where you can share PLP. So you get. All right, let's continue. So we have quotes. You can add quotes, any quotes you want. So we have many quotes there. You can just go there. So tap quotes. You see, we have the one on motivation, absurd, possibility, inspiration, friendship, success, motivation dot back. So we have many codes there, so you can just go there and choose anyone you like. So we have this dot. We have use image from gallery. We have full screen. So this is full screen. Then you can tap on this place back. Then we have export image. That is save as image size. We are still going there. Contact us or report the bug. That means you want to contact the Pixellab developer that maybe you have any, we have tutorials. So if you tap tutorial now, I think it's going to take you to Chrome. So you can watch tutorial on Pixellab. You see, it's going to take you to YouTube. So you can watch tutorial on this Pixellab about to use it. But that doesn't make you an that doesn't make you a professional designer. So we have, you see, autosave, available autosave, that everything I've did today, yesterday, this is PLP file that I'm saying. So if I have any PLP file on my phone now, see, this is PLP file that I have here, that I designed, I just made. So you guys, all right. So this Pixellab Axe logo. On normal Pixellab, we are going to see another thing here. This is maybe you want to back. So everything I've did, I want to undo them. So you see what I deleted the other time. Let me delete now this one now. If I tap this place, it's going to undo it. What I have did recently. So you can do well to undo what you have did, but for you to redo it, it is not possible. So we must be consistent. So it's not be like you will delete something and you will not be able to, this is not Canva you can undo and redo, but this one you can only undo, you don't go redo. So we have to be very careful in everything you are doing. Now let's get this back to normal. So this is zoom. You can zoom it. You see, you can zoom it, then tap on this, then you can do what you want to do. So you can just tap on this 500 to go to normal zoom, then tap on the zoom. So it's going to be okay. So this is grid. So maybe you want to, we are doing logo, and for example now we want to do something like okay, we want to use, it's like you using ruler on correct draw. I normally use grid for, we want it to be like this, to be at the middle. So another thing will be here. So this is the work of grid, and you can go to grid settings. You can add grid. You can cancel this one. So you can add it. You can add it. As you can see, you can add the grid. You can add grid. You can do whatever you want to do with the grid. Then this is layer. Like everything you have done here is going to be layer. So maybe you add 10 codes, you add 15 codes, everything will be in layer. So you see, as you can see now, so you see, so everything is going to be in layer. So we have projects to that everything you save as PLP, this is where you are going to see it is going to display. Then we have templates or background tools. You can call it templates, you can call it whatever, but this one is, as you can see, the background is changing. So this one did not have many background like that. So the second one we have here is text tool. So text tool, you want to add text, you can edit the text here, write whatever you want to write. So we don't need many explanation of this because I have done it past in my YouTube, some of my YouTube videos. So you can just go there and watch, and not necessarily watch, because we'll be getting to how to be using it very very soon. So you can edit, you can delete the text, you see, you can copy, the meaning of copy like this. So automatic copy it to front. Maybe you want it, maybe we have many layer, you want the text to come to front, you want it to go to back. Position, so I think all these things are easy. Relative position is like one tap position, you see, to back and to left to middle and all of that. So we have text size. We all know the meaning of text size: to increase, to decrease. When you get to this is padding. The padding is like the space between the margin and the text. So this is, you can increase it, you can decrease it, and you see now. So we have color. You can choose color you like. So we have gradient color. We'll be explain more when we get to be using all these things. I just want you to play around with it before we get started into the real works. So we have texture. Texture is like you want to power clip and something, maybe like image into that text. For example, now let's look at one image here. Let me click on this one image. So like this one now, as you can see, the image is displaying in its abina. So we have opacity. Opacity is the rate of you want it to fade. Maybe you want it to fade, you want it to fade out. Rotate, as you can see, that's to rotate. Mask, maybe you want to mask it. So I mask this one now. Will be this is font. You want to change this style text, you want to change the text style. So you will get to know how to use them when we start working on them. So I just want to show you some things. So this is bold, italics, underline. You can cancel everything you did here. This is background. You want to have background to the text, as you can see. I can give it blue black. You see padding left. I padding it left, padding it right. You got me? Yes, you can see, give it padding top. You can give it radius. As you can see, I give it radius. So we have alignment, center alignment, left alignment, right alignment. We have space, inline space, and you will be get to know that. So uh we have what is this called? We have stroke. Stroke is outline. So you can change the color. To whatever you want. So we have outer shadow, we have inner shadow, we have emboss. So because of the version of our phone, so there are some things that didn't work well with Pixellab. So we have opacity, we have perspective here. So as you can see, we'll be using everything one by one, so you can get to know much about them. This is 3D rotate. This is 3D rotate. This is 3D rotate. This is we have 3D shadow here. So we have 3D shadow here. So and we have 3D because the version of our phone is more than window is more than Android 8. So there are some features here that they will be lagging. So we have reflection. I hope we know the meaning of reflection. So this reflection, we'll be using them one by one so we can understand. So to the shape, you see every those the same thing under. So this is import image. You want to import, this is sticker. We have many stickers here. So you see we have stickers, we have many stickers here. So to the image, so this when you want to import an image, so you can draw. See everything under shape and object too, whenever you tap anything it's still the same thing. See it is if you want to draw. As you can see, I can change the color. As you can see, so you see that this is the same thing. Relative size is like text size. It's the same thing that under that one. It's still the same thing that is under this one. So shape, you can add any shape you like. So you see now, you can still bezier this one. You can still mask it to give us another shape. As you can see, this is another shape. So we will get to know all of them one by one when we start using them. So we have bezier. Bezier is for you to draw. You can see bezier is for drawing. Bezier is for drawing. Bezier is for drawing. So it's everything is under text tool. It's still the same thing under this one. Then arrow, it's still the same thing. So we will get to know them one by one. So to this one, we have color. We can change the background color to maybe blue. Let's change it to black. Everything we have done, as you can see, we can change it to gradient. Like the one that is there before, it is gradient. So let's choose black. So image size, maybe this one, it goes with ratio. Let's say 1200 by 80. As you can see, this is 3.2. See, you see that the size is changed. We have image. You can change the background using the custom image that is there. So these two, this one and this one, they deal with background. So this one is background tool, and this one would deal with background edit. So you get, this one deal with background edit. So we have image from gallery. Maybe you want to choose image from your gallery, so to be your background. You want to choose image from your gallery to be your background. So it's not like we choose uh any color, or maybe you have downloaded the background on your phone and you now want to use the picture. So let me just use any our picture on my phone now to use background. Okay, for example, let me choose this. Those I've wrote some things on it. Well, okay, you can still, you see that the 3x2 that we choose reflected on this one. So we can just just 1:1 like this. As you can see, you see that is background. So if I want to do something on the background, for example, now you see, now I'm editing the background. I can rotate the background. You see, now I added some effect on the background. You see, so I can add stripes. You see, now that is the stripe opacity. I can add the, you see now, brightness. It's like me editing photo here. Maybe I don't like uh the brightness of the, I can change the color to hue here. So we have saturation and all of that. So just go around, play around with the Pixellab, write anything you like. So we meet in the next video I will be dropping. So thank you, see you.